how to start copy trading in Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to start copy trading in Bybit app. After you open the Bybit app like this, so you go to your profile at the top of the website. After you open your profile, then scroll to down and go to all services. After you open the all services, so now we tap on this option. Where is it now? The search button. Go to search. After you go to the search, now you search for copy trading. So after you tap on the type in copy, it will give you this copy trading. Now select the copy trading. After you select the copy trading, then you should scroll to down. So at the bottom here, you'll be able now to see different people that are currently trading, and they gives you option to copy their trade. So the first thing to check when copying someone trade, now you need to check how much the person is making. So if you look at this person, as you can see now, this person is making 400% in the last 30 days. This one is making 61%, and this one is making over 788% in the last 30 days. So for me, I'll go with this one. So I'll go with this one with a higher higher return or reward. So I'll tap on this one. So after you select this person, now if you scroll to down, so here you'll be able now to see how much this person is making ROI, that's return on investment in the last 7 days. He is making 30% in the last 7 days, and as you can see here is the now count. If you scroll to down, here you'll be able now to see how much now is he trading currently. Now he is trading 204 USDT. Currently now that's what he is trading. And if you scroll to down, here you'll be able now to see the chart that he is now currently working on. Now, if you want to copy this person thread, all you need to do, you tap on this copy button. After you tap on the copy button, so here you'll be able to see the minimum amount that this person gives you to invest if you want to copy his thread. So the minimum amount for this person is 650 USDT. If you have the 650 USDT, there is possibility of you to get the ROI, that's reward on investment in the last 30 days. Maybe you'll be getting 100% or almost even 700%, as you look at his thread before. So now if you want to copy his thread, just go ahead now and type in the amount in this option. After you type in the amount, let's say I want to invest the 650. After you type in the amount in this option, so the next thing to do, if you want to tap on this option now and select your assets. So if you tap on this, if you have your asset in the funding, you select the funding. If your asset in the unified trading, that's spot, you select the spot. And after you select it, so from there you tap on this copy button. So by tapping on the copy button, from there you start copying his thread. So if you go back, you'll be able now to see the thread that you are copying in this option. As you can see now, if you come back here, you'll be able now to see the thread that you are copying. By tapping on this my thread, you'll be able to see the thread that you are currently copying in the Bybit, if you have any open thread in the Bybit copy trading section. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.